Good morning, ma'am. How can I assist you today?
Hi, I'm looking to plan a vacation to Italy.
Italy sounds amazing. Do you have any specific dates to book for your trip?
I was thinking about going in September for about 2 weeks. Do you think that's a good time to visit?
Oh, September. It is fantastic time to visit Italy. Are there any particular cities or attractions you'd like to include in your itinerary?
I definitely want to visit Rome and Florence, but I'm open to suggestions for other places to explore.
Great choices. Have you considered adding Venice to your itinerary? It's a beautiful city known for its canals and romantic atmosphere.
Venice sounds perfect. How about accommodations? Do you have any recommendations for hotels, or should I book those separately?
I can certainly help you with that. Let's discuss your preferences and budget, and I'll find some options for you to choose from.
That would be fantastic, thank you. Also, do I need to worry about transportation within Italy, like trains or rental cars?
I can arrange transportation options for you as well. Italy has an excellent train network, and depending on your itinerary, we can also look into rental cars or private transfers.
That's great, thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome, ma'am. So I will book you in Italy on September in about 2 weeks. And you are going to Venice, Florence, and Rome. And I'll send it to your email for your other information.
That sounds perfect. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Thanks again.
Thank you also, ma'am. Have a safe trip in Italy. Bye!